Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss Top 10 features of iPhone 13. Number 1. Design. Apple doesn't change its device designs but once every few years, so the iPhone 13 retains the iPhone 12 redesign. Each model features flat sides made from aluminum sandwiched between glass plates. The iPhone 13 features a 20% smaller notch. The iPhone 13 features a 20% smaller notch. There aren't many design changes to differentiate the 2021 and 2020 iPhones beyond new color options and rearrangement of camera modules on the entry-level model. Thanks to the new notch design, the speaker grille is higher on this model. That means some cases that fit the iPhone 12 may obscure the speaker on the new iPhone. The colors available for this generation are Midnight, Blue, Starlight, Pink, and Product, Red. Apple may introduce another color, like Purple, in the spring. Number 2. iPhone 13 cameras. The most significant upgrade is in the ultra-wide-angle camera since it has far improved low-light performance over the iPhone 12. It is also capable of shooting night mode photos for the first time. Cinematic mode is an algorithmic video function similar to portrait mode for photos. It creates an artificial bokeh around the subject while intelligently tracking them. It also detects when the subject changes or a person looks away from the camera. Since this effect is applied via an algorithm, it can be adjusted after recording. In addition, Apple says modern devices running iOS 15 can edit the footage with support for Mac editing coming in a later update. Photographic styles are another feature that takes advantage of Apple's advanced photography pipeline. Users can create preset rules for the camera to capture their style of photo while shooting. These aren't filters but intelligent processing alterations that take into account skin tone and the environment. Number 3. Dual lens rear camera. The iPhone 13 and 13 mini include a diagonal dual lens camera system. The wide lens features an f/1.6 aperture, while the ultra-wide features an f/2.4 aperture. The updated ultra-wide camera offers better low-light performance, and the updated wide camera lets in 47% more light. There is no telephoto lens in the iPhone 13 and 13 mini, so these models are limited to 2x optical zoom out and digital zoom up to 5x. Sensor shift optical image stabilization, a feature once limited to the Pro models, is available across the iPhone 13 lineup. Number 4. Neural Engine. The 16-core neural engine is able to perform up to 15.8 trillion operations per second, and it powers features like cinematic mode and smart HDR4. Number 5. RAM. The iPhone 13 models have 4GB RAM, which is 2GB less RAM than the iPhone 13 Pro models. RAM has not changed from the iPhone 12 to the iPhone 13, and the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro models also had 4GB and 6GB RAM, respectively. Number 6. Storage space. All iPhone 13 models start with 128GB of storage, and the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini can be ordered with up to 512GB storage space. That's half the maximum storage space of the iPhone 13 Pro models, which come with up to 1TB. Number 7. Battery life. Apple has improved battery life across the iPhone 13 lineup with the A15 chip and larger battery sizes. The iPhone 13 mini's battery lasts for up to 1.5 hours longer than the iPhone 12 mini, and the iPhone's battery lasts for up to 2.5 hours than the iPhone 12. The iPhone 13 mini supports up to 17 hours of video playback, 13 hours when streaming, and up to 55 hours of audio playback. The iPhone 13 supports up to 19 hours of video playback, up to 15 hours streaming, and up to 75 hours of audio playback. The iPhone 13 is equipped with a 3227 mAh battery, up from 2815 mAh in the iPhone 12, while the iPhone 13 mini has a 2406 mAh battery, up from 2227 mAh in the iPhone 12 mini. Both iPhone 13 models support fast charging and can charge to 50% within 30 minutes using a Lightning to USB-C cable and a 20 watts power adapter. Number 8. 5G connectivity. The iPhone 13 models support 5G networks in addition to LTE networks. The 5G modems in the devices work with both mmWave and sub-6 GHz 5G, which are the two types of 5G, but mmWave speeds continue to be limited to the United States. mmWave 5G networks are the fastest 5G networks. but wave is short range and can be obscured by buildings, trees, and other obstacles, so its use is limited to major cities and urban areas along with venues like concerts, airports, and other places where a lot of people congregate. Number 9. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and U1. The iPhone 13 models include an Apple-designed U1 chip that enables ultra-wideband technology for improved spatial awareness, allowing the iPhone 13 models to precisely locate other U1-equipped Apple devices. Apple has likened ultra-wideband to GPS at the scale of the living room, because the technology is designed for improved indoor positioning and location tracking. The U1 chip allows the iPhone 13 and 13 mini to precisely track nearby AirTags. It's also used for directional AirDrop and interaction with the HomePod mini, which also has a U1 chip. As for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, the iPhone 13 models support Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6, 802.11x. Number 10. MagSafe. The iPhone 13 lineup continues to offer built-in MagSafe technology in the form of a magnetic ring that is designed to connect to the MagSafe charger and other magnetic accessories. The MagSafe charger snaps right onto the back of the iPhone 13 models and charges at 15 watts, which is higher than the 7.5 watts wireless charging available with Qi-based chargers. Other magnetic accessories are compatible with the magnetic ring, including cases, sleeves, snap-on wallets, and more, with third-party companies also able to make accessories for the MagSafe iPhones. Apple warns that MagSafe chargers can leave a circular imprint on its leather cases, and a similar effect has been seen on silicone cases. Apple also says that credit cards, security badges, passports, and key fobs should not be placed between the iPhone and MagSafe charger. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's all about today's video. Thanks for watching.